unveiling the best coconut option in Thai green curry. Sawadee so foodies, I'm Chef Nikky and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of coconuts and exploring the best use between coconut milk and coconut cream in our favorite Thai green curry recipe. It's going to be an exciting experience for me because believe it or not, I have never made green curry side by side like this before. So let's get started. First, let's talk about coconut milk. This is my preferred brand here. I don't recommend this one. So I like either Na Proi, Chao Gok, or Aroy Di. Did you know that coconut milk is made by blending the white flesh of a mature coconut with water? Coconut milk is made of 2 parts coconut meat, 1 part water, and then the liquid is squeezed out from that coconut pulp. It's widely used in Thai cuisine as a base of soups, curries, and even desserts. But have you ever wondered why the coconut milk sometimes separates in a can? Stay tuned and we will be sharing that mystery later in the episode. Coconut cream is a luxurious ingredient, perfect to make creamy curries, mouth-watering sauces, and a more decadent desserts. It's made with 4 parts coconut milk to 1 part of water, plus the coconut cream has a higher fat content than coconut milk, and you know what I'm gonna say next, more fat means more flavor. Okay, now here's the question for you all. What is your go-to Thai dish that simply can't do without coconut milk? Tell me in the comments, and who knows, I might just feature you and a recipe in an upcoming episode and in my emails, but wait, that's not all. Stay around to the end and I am going to reveal an exciting giveaway and you don't want to miss it. Now, for the fun part of today's episode, the coconut showdown. This is going to be a real adventure for me. We're only going to make it with green curry paste and the coconut milk or cream to get a true comparison. I have a few green curry Thai takeover episodes that you should definitely check out after this reveal. I made a vegan green curry with Susie Batiste, the creator of Poo-Curry in her kitchen, which is, by the way, crazy beautiful. The link to that episode is in the description and a must watch. Okay, so I have portioned equal amounts of the oil that we're gonna bloom the green curry out of, and then this is the coconut cream, and this is the coconut milk version. Let's get our fire started. Here we go. Being very fair right here. Got the oil, and now the green curry paste that we're gonna bloom to really get that beautiful fragrance out of. I'm hearing it sizzle. One thing I'm predicting already, the coconut fat is probably gonna separate out before the other with the higher fat content, but we shall see. Oh, when you can smell it, it is ready. That is a sign that it is ready. Here we go. I'm pouring in the beautiful coconut cream. Should we get all of it? And in this one, see the texture? You can totally tell that it's different. There we go. Oh, that green curry up my nose. I also have a secret chef tip in another episode all about green curry recipe that you also need to go check out that literally turns this green curry a beautiful green. As you can see, the green curry paste itself doesn't give that beautiful green color that a lot of you are used to. I'll be like, what do people add? Is it like food coloring? Nope, we're adding something really, really special. Okay, one is coming to a boil. This is the coconut cream version. This is the coconut milk version. Also making sure that the temperature of my pans are equal. You know, evaporation plays a role. The biggest difference we're gonna see is the flavor. Texture-wise, this one does look thicker and creamier. Go this way, bloom that green curry paste here. While I'm stirring up this green curry, let me circle back to the question why there is a separation that happens in coconut milk products. The coconut fat solidifies at room temperature, separating from the liquid water part. I also want to confirm a fun fact about coconut milk. It is not a dairy product, even though it's called milk. There's no dairy milk, and it's also gluten-free. It's come to a boil. I'm turning it off. Waiting for this one to come to a boil, and I think we are good. You know what? I'm looking at this. I want to go ahead and add a beautiful green color to this. Comment below and let me know what you think I just added to create this green color. You definitely will be able to find out in another episode where I show you all about green curry. And you're gonna know, oh, it's already prettier already. I just couldn't resist. I need a little bit. Okay, beautiful. Adds a little bit of flavor, but hey, we put in equal amounts. Now that our 2 versions of green curry is ready, it is time for the ultimate taste test. Which will be more flavorful and creamy? I can hardly wait to find out, and I hope you're as excited as I am. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming Thai culinary adventures. Here's a few seconds for you to do that while I plate up. Absolutely delicious. The coconut cream did wonders, and my preferred choice. It really tastes closer to the authentic fresh coconut milk that you can get in Thailand. It's a little bit more expensive, like around 50 to 99 cents more here in Texas, but it's totally worth it. The coconut milk is very good too. So in Thailand, you would eat this with the khanom jean, which is the fresh fermented noodles, and the creamer version with coconut cream over rice. Leave a comment below and let me know what your preferred coconut milk or cream in your Thai dishes. So comment below, let me know which is your favorite, but also if you can tell me what that green water I put into the green curry to make it green, the first person who gets the right answer, I'm gonna send you one of my favorite products. It could be a sauce, it could be one of my chili crunch. I'm super excited. Thank you all for joining me today on my channel, and until next time, khop kun ka, and thank you for feeding your soul with me today.